If you're looking for the best Valvoline motor oil for your car, truck, or performance vehicle, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we've reviewed the top 5 Valvoline oils that deliver outstanding performance, protection, and durability whether you're driving a hybrid, a diesel truck, or a high-mileage car. We've selected these based on performance, oil composition, wear protection, customer reviews, and value for money. All product links are listed in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get started with the video. Number 1. Valvoline Hybrid Vehicle Synthetic Motor Oil. If you drive a hybrid or high-performance gasoline engine, Valvoline Hybrid Vehicle Synthetic Motor Oil is an exceptional choice. This 20W50 full synthetic formula is engineered specifically for both modern and classic high-performance engines on and off the track. It features 2x more zinc than standard oils, offering extreme wear protection for vital engine parts like pistons, cams, and bearings. The special friction modifiers also reduce heat buildup, ensuring maximum power and torque at high RPMs. Another big plus, it includes enhanced anti-foam agents that protect your engine under high speed and high heat conditions, making it a true racing grade oil. Perfect for those who want an oil that combines power, performance, and durability. Number 2, Valvoline VR1 Racing Motor Oil. For racers and motorcycle enthusiasts, the Valvoline VR1 Racing Motor Oil is a legendary pick. This 10W40 oil is designed specifically for high-performance applications, and it's been trusted for decades on the track and in performance vehicles. It offers exceptional film strength and wear protection, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly even under extreme pressure. Manufactured right here in the United States, VR1 provides the perfect balance between lubrication and temperature control, essential for racing and heavy-duty engines alike. If you need something proven and reliable for competition or high-performance street use, this is it. Number 3, Valvoline Premium Blue Diesel Engine Oil. Next up, for diesel truck owners, the Valvoline Premium Blue 15W40 diesel engine oil is hard to beat. Designed in partnership with Cummins, it's known as the only one. The only oil officially endorsed and recommended by Cummins for their engines. It promotes longer engine life, extended oil change intervals, and less filter maintenance, helping you save time and money while keeping your engine running clean. Whether you drive a heavy-duty pickup or a commercial diesel vehicle, this oil provides the durability and reliability you can trust for the long haul. Number 4, Valvoline Restore and Protect Full Synthetic Motor Oil. If you want your engine to run like new again, the Valvoline Restore and Protect Full Synthetic Oil 5W30 is the way to go. It's formulated with dual defense additive technology, which provides superior cleaning and performance to remove existing deposits and prevent new ones. Valvoline claims this oil delivers 10x stronger protection against oil breakdown and 50% better wear protection than industry standards. It also protects against wear, friction, heat, and sludge buildup, helping your engine perform at its peak for longer. This American-made formula meets or exceeds all major industry standards, including ILSAC, GF6A, and API-SP, ensuring both compatibility and high performance. For anyone looking to revive and protect their engine, this one's a winner. Number 5, Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. Finally, for cars with more than 75,000 miles, the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend 5W20 is your go-to oil. It features max life technology designed to prevent engine breakdown with 40% better wear protection than the industry standard. The seal conditioners in this oil help refresh aging seals and prevent leaks, while added detergents reduce sludge, rust, and corrosion inside your engine. It's also formulated with advanced friction fighting agents to maximize engine power and efficiency. Like all Valvoline oils, it's American made and meets the latest ELSAC, GF6A, and API SP specifications. If you want to keep your older engine running stronger, smoother, and longer, this oil is perfect. That's all we've got for today. Our picks for the top 5 Valvoline oils to keep your engine running its best. Whether you need race grade protection, diesel durability, or extra care for your high mileage engine, there's a Valvoline oil here for you. All product links are listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out. We upload new videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.